Myself Rosmita from Photo News Times Newsroom. Birding community engagement and boat racing marked day 2 of 6th National Chilika Bird Festival. Mangalajodi and Nalabana host birding experience. Boat race hits off at Barkul. Conservation, culture and competition converge at Chilika on day 2. The second day of the 6th National Chilika Bird Festival featured guided bird watching programs, community engagement activities and traditional boat racing, reinforcing Odisha conservation-led tourism model. The festival is being jointly organized by the Department of Tourism and the Forest, Environment and Climate Change Department, Government of Odisha. Birding trials were conducted at Mangalajodi and Nalabana Bird Sanctuary with participation from experts, photographers, students and nature enthusiasts alongside a bird race facilitated by the e-bird team. At OTTC Barkul, the Chilika Country Boat Race drew wide attention with 74 teams competing, of which 42 teams qualified for the semi-finals and finals. Day 3 will feature further birding activities, capacity building section for boatmen, expert panel discussion and culture performance, including Odisha dance and an award ceremony. Khordha Collector and District Magistrate Sri Amrit Ruturaj has taken special attention to his program. Report by Sujanaran Mahanti and Manoj Kumar Sahu from Khordha Photo News Times.